welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Brianna Weiler, and today I'm going to be bringing you a clean and reorganize my guest bedroom / my husband's office, see if I can move things around and situate things where they'd be a little bit more functional to have a guest over. My mom is coming into town this weekend, and I wanted to make sure the room just works a little bit better. We usually just use it as a place to dry our clothes with our drying racks and stuff, and then for our printer and my husband's work stuff. So it's just kind of a room that collects a bunch of random things, pile of donation stuff that needs to get taken down. So I'm gonna put away clothes, and I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys a little bit better the room and what I'm gonna do with it. So the clothes are gonna get put away. I think I'm gonna move the drying rack. I might put that one away, like take the bars off and fold it up for now and just put it away. Those bins, I need to figure out what to do with them. They don't fit in my closet right now. And then this drying rack, I think I might just move it over to this side of the room. And I think I'm gonna move, I usually have our guest bed right in this area, but I think what I'm going to do to give my husband more space to work during the week is move the bed to this side. So in order to do that, I need to move this. I use as like a little nightstand for guests to come over. This was a wedding gift, and it was meant to be used at the foot of the bed in our bedroom, but I think it'll work better, or it works best in here. It still looks brand new, so it'll work for whenever we have a bigger master bedroom to put at our foot of our bed a little bench like this. I am going to move that over this way, I think, maybe. And I'm going to vacuum, and all of my picture frames up here need to be dusted. So I'm going to get that done. I have picture frames up here. These all dust off too. My lamp and that mirror I need to move somewhere. So I will find a new home for all of the things and rearrange things, and I will show you that in this video. So here I am hanging up the dried clothes and getting them all nicely hung up so that way I can put them in the closet. And then I'm gonna get the drying rack that they were on and take apart the pieces and put that away as well.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah. I always knew that this would happen. Yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah. It's almost like I can't stop. Yeah. Can't stop. No. Think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop.
here I'm trying to figure out what to do next, where to put stuff, where to move stuff, what I should do to get the floor all cleaned. So I moved some of the stuff out of the way that I had moved from the other side to that way, so that way I can clean the carpet on that side and clean the picture frames and stuff. So I have that going there.
I can't stop, I can't stop, I can't stop.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life.
Alright, so you guys have seen me clean, hang up my clean clothes. I put up this wonderful air mattress for my mom. It's a queen size and it has 3 different settings. I have it set on soft right now. I just wanted to make sure it blew up again. So I have that set up, and then I set up the little nightside table, there is what I call it, and have it set up. I usually end up putting like state things on here, the different, just different pamphlets that we've picked up throughout the state. And yeah, so there's just a bunch of that stuff there. And I am going to use one of those tubs that I had stacked up over here. I'm going to use as another stand, like a nightstand thing. So I'm just going to find, probably it's just going to end up being a towel and throwing it over. That way it's, you don't see all of the Christmassy stuff, but I'll just cover it up. And then my husband's stuff stayed as it is. I moved his CDs over, but I feel like they're gonna need a new home. That's not gonna work with this chair and whatnot, but that'll get moved when he gets home. He's gone for the week, so I did a little bit of cleaning while he was gone. And then I moved our drying rack. I have had this thing for years. I bought it off of Amazon. It was like $50, but it's perfect for drying stuff, and you can move it wherever, so I love that. And then our paper shredder is just gonna stay there. I moved our wallflower from the other side of the room. That way we could plug in the lamp and whatever else my mom has to plug in. Our lamp has a USB port in it, so that's a good feature to have in that lamp, because then if there's multiple things that need to be plugged in, she has space to plug those in. And then even on the air mattress, there is a USB port for charging right here as well. So there's that. And I am exhausted, but I got all of our pictures dusted off and looking nice and fresh. There is our guest bed. Yes, our pictures are off from the guest bed because I didn't put them up with the guest bed in mind of being there. Those pictures were put up in mind of the guest bed being here, but it is what it is. We're not here forever, so I just made it as cute as I can. And that is our little guest room / office. And I reorganized. I cleaned really good. It was dusty, because this room doesn't get as good of a cleaning as it should all of the time. So I have all of the dust taken out of here, and I will probably vacuum one more time before my mom gets here, but I just wanted to get everything ready and set up and kind of cleaned out a little bit. My suitcase, I haven't done it yet. I need to get the ladder and bring it back over here again, but my suitcase will go up in the closet. There's a space for it. It goes with that one. That one goes inside of it, and then it'll go up there. And then I have my donation bag, but I might be getting rid of some other stuff, so I'm not getting rid of that just yet. And I'll be taking it down to the thrift store, one of the local thrift stores, soon. So there is that. And And one more look over the room. And if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you liked about this video, what I could have done differently, any ideas you have for me. My guest room office is kind of like a work in progress continually, so it's a good ideas would be more than welcomed. Sorry about the lighting with the window, but if it's open, I get the best lighting, I feel like. And I hope you guys like this video. See you next time. Bye!